Welcome to Season 5, Episode 1. We're back.
And this is, as I say, February, the sun is shining, and I'm going to be taking you to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, beautiful property on the market with Ideal Homes. And yes, that is your own personal lift that comes into your hallway. It has everything, like 4 swimming pools, it has a gym, it has the most beautiful grounds and gardens. This is a really great property. 3 bedrooms, plus 1 bedroom downstairs I'm going to take you down to in a moment, and that's even got an ensuite down there with more storage spaces and also 2 parking spaces.
So right now for the fish course, we have prepared, the sommelier have prepared a beautiful Carlos Reynolds.
Stay tuned, don't go far, and thanks for watching.